afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at something a little bit different for the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a water bottle from Nayad. This is a tumbler style bottle, and there is a reason that I am doing this, which we will see here in a second. As soon as we get into it. Let's see, trying to keep the label off the video. Okay, here we go. So there's that. It looks like they sent a little note for me. So this is just a red tumbler bottle, and you also get a straw with the silicone tip, which is nice. But it's what's in the bottle that is cool. They are including free hand sanitizer with all the bottle purchases, just to help you guys out, help everybody stay clean. And that's one of the reasons I was promoting this for them. Normally I wouldn't, unbox a tumbler or something like that on my channel because it's not really tech related. But I wanted to get the word out on this. They are selling these nice tumbler bottles. Kind of like a Yeti, similar to that. The insulated cups that keep your drinks hot or cold for a long period of time. But you get a free bottle of hand sanitizer with it, so you can, help everybody stay clean, and just spread the word on that. So thank you to Nayad for that. Really nice bottle. I will have a link down in the description below. It is a referral link, so if you guys want to support the channel, you can pick up one of these bottles, and you can help your community, help yourself stay clean, and you can also help support the channel at the same time. So this has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.